dun 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 dun. What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna get my mobile holder changed. It's actually a promotion from Bobo Gaze. They sent me a mobile holder. I was like, okay, bring it on. And yeah, I'm gonna get it fixed today. I'm gonna go to my usual spot, HTRZ Mods. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna set the unboxing arena right now. I know exactly how to do it. I could do this in my house itself, but just got the idea to do it right now. Initially I planned to do it in HTRZ Mods, but then I don't think that's a good atmosphere to do the unboxing. Okay, so I'm in someone else's parking because there was some noise in there. Some construction work is going on over there. Okay, let's start the unboxing. This is the only weapon that I have to unbox right now. Of course, a car has to be started. Thank you. Okay, there he goes. Alright, so this is the box that I received. Another one. Okay, it's that same guy. Let's open it. I should have probably done this unboxing in my home. That would have been a good idea. Alright. Thank you for your order. There's my name in that. Never mind. Alright, so that is that. So this is the Bobo VIP Club. You need to scan this QR code and go to vip.bobogaze.com and then register. And you will get a 500 rupees joining bonus. That's really nice, right? And 6 months warranty. That's nice. It's a good touch. Yeah. Okay, so this is the mount which goes over here. That's nice. And yeah, you have got a 3M tape too. Okay. Yeah, so this is a different kind of mount where you can mount it over here and then have the mobile holder right in the middle. I don't need that, so I'll most probably have my mobile holder right over here. That's what I like. I mean, it's personal preference, it's your wish. This is the main thing. Looks very nice actually. It's feels premium, you know. This is not an ordinary mobile holder. This is a wireless charger. Means if you have a wireless charging capability phone, you can put it on this and then it'll charge. No need of any USB cables or anything like that. So this is a proper waterproof switch. You've got a silicone covering upon the switch. That's really nice, man. I like it. Okay. And you get an extra fuse with this. Yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I always wear gloves. I don't know why. I've gotten used to it. Like, I cannot ride without gloves now. Like, gloves is mandatory for me. Yeah, let's get going. HTRZ should be about 6 to 7 kilometers from here. Let's go. My god, what is happening to Bangalore's weather? It's extremely hot right now. Holy damn. Like, if I stop my bike for 10 seconds, then I'm fried. I'm sure about that. I'm glad you guys liked the casual vlog that I uploaded yesterday. That is 28th of February. I got a lot of good response from it. People want more that kind of videos. So yeah, I'll make those. No worries. I got you boys and girls. You're telling me they have to stand in this hot sun for 100 seconds. Okay. Hey bro. Hi.
Oh, nice to meet you, bro.
എനിക്കൊരു മൊബൈൽ ഹോൾഡർ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് തരണമായിരുന്നു.
Which one holder?
ഹോൾഡർ എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുണ്ട്. ബോബോ എന്ന.
Bobo.
ആ, അത് ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. എത്ര? ഓ സോറി. ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത വയർലെസ് ആണ്. ഇത് ഊരിയിട്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ സെയിം കണക്ഷനിൽ കൊടുത്താൽ ഐ മീൻ റിമൂവ് ദിസ് ആൻഡ് ഗിവ് ഇറ്റ് ടു ദ സെയിം കണക്ഷൻ.
This much Malayali I can't understand.
കുറച്ച് അറിയാം.
കുറച്ച് അറിയാം.
Yeah, I don't know what to do with this mobile holder. It still works though, absolutely no problems with it. So if you're from Bangalore, please contact me. I can give this to you for free. I don't want any money or anything. Yeah.
Nice phone holder upgrade.
Ade.
And Bobo is best bro.
For sure, yeah.
You can compare with Ramon.
Guys, do not attach with the battery due to ignition.
And we took connection from the ignition and one we given in R. It's very simple.
Hi.
What's up? How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? It's good. So you're connecting this to the ignition right now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll start it. Look at this. You get that blue light over there. That means it's working.
You have to tape it nicely.
If this one touch somewhere to a body means bike will get off. The fuse will go.
Okay, please do it carefully. I don't think this is gonna work because I have this case, right?
No, it will work.
The moment of truth. I honestly don't think it's gonna work because I have a bit of hard case, so and it's working.
Charging.
Okay, 53% charged, so works pretty well. I thought it wouldn't work because I have a bit of thick case, but it still works. That's nice. The one thing that I like about this holder is it looks clean and minimalistic. So good. I like it. And about this mobile holder, as I said, if anyone's from Bangalore, you guys can contact me and I can give this to you guys. Works.
Done, bro?
Huh? Done, bro. Yeah, bro. Hi, bro. Okay, guys, it works perfectly fine. Looks stiff and it's charging. No issues. Looks so clean now. This is what I like the most. Thank you. Alright, so I want to thank Bobo Gas for sending me this, and they were kind enough to give a discount code or coupon code for my subscribers, and the code is on the screen right now. SPIL10 is the code. You can buy anything from Bobo Gas using this coupon code and you'll get a 10% discount. That's pretty lit, right?